Hello, this is Simran and welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this update. On the occasion of Diwali, all the states and union terrorists of the country have issued guidelines regarding the burning of firecrackers. These guidelines have been issued in the accordance with the direction of the Supreme Court in this regard. In the view of the pollution, the Supreme Court has banned the burning of crackers in many places. By the way, this ban includes only those firecrackers which are extremely dangerous and in which barium salt is found. Along with this, the Supreme Court said that if any state and union territory violates this order, then the matter will be taken seriously. On September 15, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced a ban on firecrackers, saying it was necessary to save lives later. On 28 September, the Delhi Pollution Control Committee ordered a complete ban on the sale and bursting of firecrackers in the national capital till January 1, 2022. And the Haryana government has imposed a complete ban on the sale and use of firecrackers with immediate effect in 14 of its districts falling under the National Capital Region NCR. This order will also be applicable to all those cities in the state where the average air quality index was in the poor category in November last year. In the West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee appealed to the people to follow the orders of the Supreme Court and said that on the occasion of Kali Puja and Deepavali, burn only green crackers, setting aside the decision of the Kolkata and High Court that banned all types of firecrackers on the occasion of Kali Puja and Deepavali. The Supreme Court in its order said that there cannot be a complete ban on firecrackers. The mechanism should be strengthened to prevent misuse, and the Pollution Control Board of Assam has issued an order banning all types of firecrackers except green crackers. Green firecrackers have also asked to burn for a certain time. Here, green crackers can be burned only from 8 to 10 p.m. on Diwali day and 6 to 8 a.m. on Chhath Puja day. The Tamil Nadu government has clarified that only green crackers will be allowed in the state on Diwali on November 4 and set a time limit of only 2 hours for bursting crackers as per the Supreme Court guidelines. The government appealed to the citizen to avoid continuous bursting of crackers, which causes a lot of noise pollution. The Karnataka government only allowed the sale and burning of green crackers for Diwali, also suggested that people to strictly follow the COVID-19 rules. The order signed by Karnataka Chief Secretary P. Ravi Kumar said that as per the directions of the Supreme Court, the sale of burning of firecrackers other than green crackers shall be prohibited. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.